Hey guys, this is Robert and here's the package, so let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, we have this So Simply. Alright. It's always good to have a sewing kit available in case something breaks. You can sew it back together, right? Button falls off or the rip. So that's why I ordered this. And let's see what's inside this package. And there it is. So here we have a thank you card. Dear customer, thank you so much for shopping with us. We hope you enjoy our product. Customer satisfaction is our top priority. If any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us at support@ARTIKA sewing.com. Thank you. So we have some yarn here, some pins. Not sure what this is. To loop through loops. Pencil. I don't know. All these. Cut the. Yeah, I'm not gonna even try. So there's the kit. If you're interested in this item, the link will be in the description. Below. Using that link, you will help support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.